Hello, this is my Xtreme XG505 gas scooter. This is part 3 about installing a mini bike seat. I haven't had a video up for a while, so I thought I would show my progress. I've got a pipe flange bolted down. I'm going to come up with pipe from these 3/4 inch pipe tees, water pipe tees, one on each side there. I've got BMX foot pegs installed. They're kind of long, I might remove them. Getting the scooter ready for the road again. My handlebars were kind of getting a little bit rusty, so I sanded them down and I put some spray enamel. The shade is a little bit lighter than the original, but it's alright. And the aluminum, it kind of had this, it's kind of varnished and stuff on the stem gooseneck, so it didn't turn out too bad. I've got to put all my parts back on, my brake handles and throttle. I've cleaned it up since the last couple of videos, put the deck back on. I just have the rear wheel sitting in place, it's not bolted down, but that's all back together. I put an inner tube in the back. Right now I'm in the process. I've painted pipes that are going to attach to the frame of the seat. Here's my seat frame. It's not going to be just straight up from these. It's going to come up about 6 inches on each side, 6-inch pieces of pipe, and then I'm going to put flat steel across these adapters and bolt them on. And there's a reason for that, because the bottom end is much, from side to side, is much wider than the frame down there of the mini bike seat. So I didn't want like the pipe to be so wide all the way up. So I'm going to basically make a bolt together deal with flat steel that's going to condense it. So it'll be 6 inches on each side. A 6-inch pipe will come up. Then there'll be a flat piece of steel, and then the more narrow section. Basically the narrow section down here with these two in the back, the rear of the seat, they'll attach with some cross plates of flat steel. So but I've got to get some more flat steel and a few more 5/16 bolts. Once I do that, I'll fit everything, cut it, drill the metal out for the holes, and I'll spray paint it blue and put it all together. But this is just a very slow process, just piecing this thing together. I've got, I did make progress. I've got a gas tank. It's a 2-quart tank from a Tecumseh motor. I measured it today. It's got a 5/16 inlet tube. I have a brass tee that I'm going to hook up the return primer bulb line with, but I've still got to get a few more brass fittings for that. I'm going to mount this tank under the mini bike seat when I'm done. So, I'll shoot another video once I get the seat all together. Alright, take care.